What's good, guys? It's Monday again, and guess what? Welcome, guys. It's your boy, Good Luck Bye again. Today is Tuesday. It's currently Tuesday morning, 7 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. That's the time. I currently have some setup. Let's hop to our screen. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got for the week. You feel me? Let's go. Right here on my screen, we have Euro AUD. We have this bad boy, Euro AUD. And boys, I'm about to execute this trade right now. Like, I'm about to enter this trade right now, ASAP. We're not dulling on this. Initially on Euro AUD, I was supposed to enter around here. Like, I had, what's it called? Expectations enter around here. I'll be entering around here. What's my basis of entry? My basis of entry is first of all on the daily time frame. I've already explained, but let me just recap. On the daily time frame, I have this is a double top formation, and bro, this is a double top formation. The neckline has been broken. Then we have a retest of the neckline. Aside the fact that this is a neckline, we also have our area of interest here. We have our resistance, support, then resistance. Then again, we have our trend, our daily trend to be bearish. Then although the weekly trend is bullish, but our daily trend is bearish and our 4 hours trend is bearish. As long as the daily trend and the 4 hours trend are bearish, oh shit, price already leaving me because I'm explaining to you guys. So as long as our daily time frame and our 4 hours time frame are bearish, I can sell here because I have 2 time frames in sync. 2 time frames are in one direction, so I can go ahead and pick my sales. And for the fact that this is a reversal, this trade has potentials of getting up onto this level. Very, like, it has high potential of getting up onto that level. So now let's mount our entry. And aside that, you see, we also have this our area of interest here on the 4 hours. We have resistance, we have breakouts and retest. That's resistance turning to support around here. We have support around here. Then we're now having resistance around here. And you see, price has tested that level, the neckline. This was the area of the neckline. Price has tested it already. So it's just the right time to enter. It is the right time to enter, guys. And aside that, we also have a bearish engulfing candle around here. Although a news came out around, I think, 4 a.m. or so, or 3 a.m. Then we have this Among Us bearish engulfing candle here, which is a good sign to enter. We enter candles on a bearish engulfing candle. So let's go. Although the stop loss is pretty wide, but if you look at the reward, if you look at the potential of the trade, it's a good risk to reward trade, which is around 5.65 risk to reward ratio. And aside that, I might decide to just take my profit around the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulders pattern that I'll call here. I might decide to take my profit at this level. Now, if I take my profit at this level, that means I'll be taking my profit. I'll be my risk to reward will reduce to 1:3.7. You get, but I might just hold to that, overall low. What's it called? I might just hold to that overall low. You get, you feel me? So that's just it. That's just the recap. So now let's go ahead and calculate our risk. Let's do it together. Let's do it live. How I enter my trades. So my stop loss is 70 pips. So we'll just go ahead to our position size calculator. I'll go to position size calculator. I already have it here. The position size calculator I use is my FS book, right? Yeah, my FS book. Then yeah, I have my position size calculator. The currency I want to trade is Euro AUD. So I just go ahead and type Euro AUD and enter. Then my currency is in USD. Then the account size is $1,000. Remember, we are trading $1,000. We're targeting to make 8% this month. Then the risk to reward ratio is the risk ratio. I'm risking just 2% of my account on this trade. Then which is 2%. I think 2% should be $20. Then the stop loss of my entry 70 pips. So go ahead and calculate. And for me to risk 20 USD on a 70 pip stop loss on $1,000 account, I have to use a lot size of 0.04. as you can see right here, 0.04. So now I'll go ahead and go to my broker. Xnest is the broker I use. I'm not trying to advertise them. They didn't sponsor me for this stuff. That's just the broker I use. Then we go ahead and remember I was on the trade on USD card the other day. So I just have to add Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Yeah, this is Euro AUD. Then I have to enter. I have to sell Euro AUD. I have to sell Euro AUD. Sell right? Yeah, sell Euro AUD with okay, yeah, the volume. From our position size calculator, we told to use 0.04 lot size, 0.04 lot size, 0.04 lot size, then sell. Position opened. Now we are selling Euro AUD. Hope it's Euro AUD that I'm selling. Yeah, it's Euro AUD. So Euro AUD, that I'm selling. Then I go ahead and set my stop loss, right? So let's set our stop loss and our profit target. Yeah, our stop loss is at, where is that? Let's go back to our trading view. Our stop loss is at what was the price? This is the price of our stop loss. Yeah, this price here, 1.65. This price around here, 1.65201. 1.65201. So I'll just go back and impute 1.25601. Is that correct? It's showing red. That means it's the wrong value. 1.65201. 65201, right? 1.65201. Oh, I imputed something different. I imputed what the fuck did I just see? Okay. 1.65201. Good. Wow. With this stop loss, I'll just be losing 17.64 USD on this trade. Interesting. But I'm planning to lose just 20 USD. Why are they giving me 17 USD? Is it that this is my position size calculator? It was not correct. Where is it? I want to risk 20 USD. Why are they giving me 17 USD? Why are they telling me I will lose 17 USD? And let's increase it. 20 USD. Okay. Let's leave it 19 points. Yeah, 19.16 USD is fine. That's 1.87% of my account rather than 2%. Yeah, it's a good one. Then my profit target. I like taking my profit targets. I like taking my profit at what's it called? At psychological levels. Remember I told you guys that I might end up taking my profits. Bro. I might end up taking my profits at this, the shoulders of this inverse head and shoulders pattern. That's around here. And if I check around there, the cycle level, the closest cycle level to that area is 1.6200. So I might not be holding much. If I want to take advantage of the whole move, then I'll take my profit around here. But I don't know how long this is gonna take. I don't know how long it's gonna take price to get to this level. So, this is where you have to now make a decision as a trader. If I decide to take my profit inside this area, then I'll be targeting to take profit at this cycle level 1.60500. But I'm okay with 1:3 risk to reward. I'll just take my profit at this cycle level 1.6200. That's a better price. 1.6200. I'm fine taking my profit around here, around that level, 1.6200. So I'll go back to my broker and impute it 1.6200. That means if this trade goes in my favor, I'll be making 63.85 USD, which is about 6.23%. This trade alone has almost given me my 8% I'm targeting for this month. Then if this trade goes against me, I'll be losing 19.17 USD, which is 1.87% of my account. You see how this thing calculates it very, very easy, like in an easy manner. So then I'll just click on modify order. Now my order has been modified. Now I'm selling Euro AUD. So another thing I like doing also is I like checking what's it called? Hang on. Yeah. I like seeing my TP and stop loss. Then price alert. No. I don't like seeing the news. Then yeah. I like checking the price at which I entered at. Let me show you something. This is the price I entered. This is the open price of this particular. Jesus. Is it you? What am I doing? How am I shouting? Look, I thought I was selling. Sorry, guys, don't mind me. I thought I was selling Euro USD because I'm seeing Euro USD here sell. This is a close position already. I'm so sorry, guys, for freaking out. This was the first trade we lost for the month. This was on the 7th. I was scared. I thought I was selling Euro USD instead of Euro AED because, guys, I've experienced this thing before. I know how that shit pains. I know how painful that stuff is. So I've experienced it before, selling the wrong currency pair. So let's go back to our open position. So what I like doing is, remember, I have USD CAD for last week, which are still running in profit. Then I'm selling you AUD at this point, and this is the open price, 1.64508. I like making everything on my trading view align with whatever I have on my broker, on my MetaTrader 5, whatever platform I used to trade. I like making everything to align. So since my open price is here, I'll go ahead to my trading view and modify that's my position size 2. You get, that's my position 2, that's my sell 2. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. Open price is 1.64508. I'll go to my trading view. Then I'll just double click on this thing. Remember I said let me just do it with this guy. I'm not using it anymore. This guy, I'm not using it anymore. Remember I said I like making everything to align. So I'll double click on this thing to edit it. The entry price here is 1.64501. Okay, first of all, I'll push it to this candle. Since I entered on this particular candle, I'll push it to this candle. Yeah, that last candle, perfect. Then I'll double click on it. The entry price here is 1.64501. What's the entry price on my broker? 1.64. You see, they are different. This one is 1.64508. So I'll go ahead and edit it to 1.64508 because that's actually the price I entered. Then my profit target here, my profit target here is 1.62 or 62000. That's 62,000. I'll go ahead here and edit it to 1.6. It's different. I'll edit it to 1.62000. Then my stop loss here is 1.65261. 1.65261. I'll go ahead and edit stop loss to 1.65261, right? Is it 261 we saw? 1.65261. Yeah, 261. 1.65261. Perfect. So now I'll click on done. Bro, I'm risking 75 pips. Like, I just see the stop loss 75 pips. Why? Bro. Everything, all the see, I'm stammering now. The reason why I'm risking 75 pips is because of this position size calculator. I imputed 70 pips here, bro. Why are you? And you told me to use 0.04. That if my stop loss is 70 pips, I'm gonna lose what is it called, 20 USD. This calculation is wrong. Okay, let's try to refresh. Damn. Impute again, 1000 USD. 2%. Stop loss 70 pips. 70 pips I want to risk, bro. Calculate. Still 0.04. I feel the reason why this thing is not accurate, like 100% accurate. I don't know if you are understanding like what I'm trying to say, or like my point of view. I feel the reason why this thing is not accurate is because I'm risking a very, very small amount of money. Assuming I was risking, let's say, 100 USD, which is 10% of my account, and you do this calculation, like this thing is supposed to, this particular lot size, assuming I use this particular lot size to enter this trade, there's no way I'll be risking more than 70 pips to lose $100. Let me don't confuse you guys, let me don't bore you guys, but at the end of the day, I just realized I'm risking 75 pips, which is quite fine. Giving my stop loss enough breathing space is fine. So now, after I've done this, I will now lock. Hang on. TradingView keeps doing this, but either ways, then I will now lock this position size 2. You see, everything is aligning. My profit target 1.6200 here. My profit target on my broker is 1.62 thousand, that'll be 200. Then my stop loss is 1.65261. My stop loss here is 1.65261. Then my entry is 1.64508. My entry here is 1.64508, as you can see right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on lock. Then I've locked it. No matter what I do on my chart, this stuff will not move. And doing all of this like this, it makes everything in order. It makes everything just align. All my tools are, my chart will be clean, everything will just be aligned. And what I usually do is I'll just go ahead and impute an horizontal line, I'll be a horizontal line around my profit target. I'll edit it. That's 1.62 thousand, right? That's my profit target. So I'll just click on OK, then I'll lock it. I'm okay. Let's go. We are riding price to the downside. We are in on this trade. Then I'll make sure that everything is in order on my MetaTrader 5 or on my broker. Everything is in order. I have my stop loss, I have my take profit. Then what else again do I need to do? So sometimes, just for formality's sake, I like doing this as well. Okay, see my TP here, see my SL here, see my entry. For formality's sake, I like doing this sometimes. Like, I like what's it called? I like where is that stuff? I like having another position size 2 around here. Like, just this one is just for formality's sake. I use TradingView for my analysis, but I just like having it around here sometimes. Okay, like same stop loss, same entry, yeah. 64508. I guess it should be network handwork. You see, connection, poor connection. Where's the entry again? 1.6. Oh fuck. 1.64508. I'll just go back and put 1.64508. Then profits 62,000. Then stop loss 1.65261. 1.65261. Yeah, just to make sure that everything is aligned and everything is in order. Then I'll go ahead and lock this guy. I'll go ahead and unlock this guy. Unlock it. Yeah, I'm good to go. So once I have this, I'm okay. I've entered my trade, and if you can see, I'm working with structure. If you look right here, I'm working with structure. You see, my stop loss is above the most recent high. That's just it. Work with structure. Whatever you're doing, work with structure. I don't want this video to be too long, but mind you, so guys, I have interest in 2 more currency pairs. This is the first trade of the week. This is my first trade of the week. I still have interest in about 2 more instruments. Yeah, I have interest in USD card now. If you look at USD card is the trade I entered last week, which is still running. It's still running, the trade I entered last week. Then aside USD card, I have interest in 2 more pairs. So USD card has been creating a form of retracement. I'm just seeing some sort of a form of back to the upside before it's finally dropped. I still see this guy dropping to this level. So let me just go ahead and extend it. Although the trade has lasted for some time now, and I'm not quite happy that, okay, I entered this trade on Thursday, right? On Thursday, yeah. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 4 days now. No, Tuesday, 5 days now. This trade has been running for 5 days. If you look closely, I entered the trade on Thursday, which was on 13th. Yeah. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That's just like, it has been running for some time now. And I see it dropping to the downside. But either ways, we just have to, we are setting and forgetting as usual. Then we are interested in USD CHF. Oof! I might be entering this guy. Like, bro, guys, if USD CHF closes, it's still a long time. This candle will close in 2 hours time, bro. That's far away. Let me check lower time frame. I'm happy that, oh, so sorry. That was just the 2 minutes. No, I'm not supposed to be on the 2 minutes. 120. That's this is on the 2 hours time frame. Let's check the 30 minutes. What is 30 minutes saying? I'm happy that you guys are seeing all these things with me. Like I'm happy that I'm taking this trade in your presence, so that at least you can see what I do behind. Like in real time, you can see what I'm doing. Oof. So the 30 minutes is about to shift structure. You see, price is rejecting from this area of interest. 30 minutes is about to shift structure. Let's work with market structure. If the 30 minutes shift structure, I'm entering. So now we have our higher high. Oh, 30 minutes shifting structure. See that bearish candle. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we're about to have a lower low, a shift in structure. In case you're not seeing this, in case the candlesticks are confusing you, let me just change it to line chart so you see what I'm trying to say. You see, shift in structure, shift in structure. Are you seeing it? Shift in structure, shift in the damn structure. You see it? Good. So now I will be having my entry pretty soon on USD CHF. I'll be having my entry. If I enter a trade on USD CHF, I think I've maxed out my risk for the week. Then I'm still interested in NZD USD. I'm interested in NZD USD. I'm interested in buying NZD USD. If price gets to this, my area of interest around there, I'll be buying NZD USD. But NZD USD looks like it's gonna take forever to happen. NZD USD looks like it's gonna take forever to happen. We don't want any door thing. We don't want a door market. We want something fast. You know, like USD CHF now, price already on our area of interest. Like price has come to us. Price is in our area of interest on USD CHF. On USD card, we're already on USD card, selling USD card. On Euro AUD, you're already selling Euro AUD already. Then, if USD card gives me my confirmation, if I see a shift in structure on 30 minutes, just like I'm seeing right now, if this candle closes like this, I'll be entering. Yeah, if this candle closes like this, I'll be entering on 30 minutes. In 2 minutes time, the candle closes because the time is currently 8:27 a.m. So if this candle closes, I'll be entering, and my stop loss, okay, let me unlock this too. My stop loss will be, I'll be entering, then my stop loss will be above this area of interest. Then I'll be setting and forgetting as well. Then if I take this trade, no need to take NZD USD, because remember, my rule states that I'll be depositing 1,000 USD, then I'll be risking 2%, which is equal to $20 per trade. I'll be taking 2 trades every week. Although last week I only took 1 trade because I was only able to see 1 setup last week. Then I'll say nothing less than 1:2 risk to reward ratio, and I'm targeting 8% return in investment in a month. So this is my plan for this account. So I'm not going to go against it. So that means if I take my trade on this USD CHF, that means I've maximized my bullets. I've maximized my risk for the week. So we just have to hold the trade and manage the trade till the end of the week. Today is Tuesday, and these trades, hopefully they hit my profit target before the end of the week. If they don't, I'll still hold till next week. And I think next week is the last week of February. Oh fuck, bro! Like Friday is the last day of the month. Next week Friday is the last day of the month. So it's quite painful, but I just hope all these trades can play out till the end of the month. Then I make my 8%. Then I go ahead and buy my prop account. That's it. That's good. That's the plan, bro. That's good. So that's good. So that's it, guys. Let's see if we can enter this trade together. The countdown, the candle will close in how many seconds? 7 seconds. So let's see if we can enter this trade. But one thing I don't like is this rejection I'm seeing. I don't like this rejection, bro. Like, guys, I don't like this rejection. Oh, candle has already closed. And if you look closely, the candle didn't break this structure. That's one thing. If you understand your candlestick very well, candlestick formation, the pattern, candlestick pattern, your open price, close price, highest price, and lowest price, you will not have much problem with entries. If you look closely now, someone might say this level was broken, but this level was not broken. Yeah, this level was let me just have less things on my chart to avoid confusion. Some might say this level has been broken, but mind you guys, this level is not broken at all. Like, it has not been broken. Where's my rectangle 2? Yeah, some might say this level is broken. This level is not broken. If this level is broken, a full body candle has to close beneath this level. And since we have a wick on this level, I'm not entering this trade. If the next candle comes out and drops and finally closes below this level, then I'll enter. But if the next candle doesn't close below this level, I'm not going to enter. Until a full body candle closes below this level, that's when I'm going to have my entry. That's just it. If you can stick by rules, you will not have any much issues with trading. If you stick by your rules, you won't have much issues with trading. That's just it. Stick by your rules and you're good to go. So, and for me to tell you that this particular candle didn't close below this level, let's switch to our line chart. You see, on the line chart, are you seeing it? Now we have a single line, like a straight line. Are you seeing that price is still above this level? That means it didn't close. That's just the reality. Let me tell you guys, wicks are trails. Wicks are not real movements. Like, wicks are trails. How would I put it? Okay, they are real movement, but they are trails that price left. You shouldn't depend on wicks. You should depend on the body of the candle. The body of the candle tells the real market structure. Wicks do not tell market structure. Take note of this. The body of the candle is the real market structure. As you can see, the wick was around here. But if you look at the line chart, the line chart shows the market structure. It doesn't, no confusion. This one is straightforward. But candlestick chart can be confusing. But it shouldn't confuse you when you're used to it. As you can see clearly, price has not closed below this level. But if you switch to the candlestick chart, you see the wick closed beneath the level. So until a full body candle closes below this level, that's when I'll have my entry. That's it, guys. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll be waiting for 27 minutes to see what will happen. But till then, I'll catch you guys. Yeah, I'll catch you guys till then.